Hi everyone! Welcome again to another edition of Campo Charlie Vlogs. And for today's video, we have an update to one of the trending episodes that we have recently, the 4DX Cinema Experience. We will be sharing with you our latest encounter with Avatar Way of Water here in 4DX UP Town Center. So before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can get more updates on our upcoming travel adventures. Kaya tara na! So itong 4DX sa UP Town Center. Again, this is UP Town Center, not Uptown Mall. Iba yon, nasa BGC yon. So this one is located in Katipunan in Quezon City. Medyo na-curious lang kami kasi for almost 2 weeks in a row, even during the Film Fest week, sold out palagi ang Avatar dito sa 4DX. Kaya, trinay namin. Dito muna tayo sa labas ng movie hall. As you noticed, there are a number of food stalls. Medyo sarado lang yung iba, pero mas marami ang food stalls dito compared dito sa cinema sa Greenbelt. And both of these cinemas are under Ayala Malls. Also, I think this place is much smaller than the theaters in Greenbelt. Although nakahiwalay din siya sa main mall, medyo isang floor lang yung kanilang hallway, hindi carpeted, pero well thought naman ang design and magandang lighting. Also, note that this mall is much newer than the Makati malls of Ayala Center. And right now, when we check the ticket booth, sold out nga talaga ang 4DX. Good thing, we were able to book tickets through sureseats.com. So pag hindi na kayo makabook doon, malamang hindi na available or puno na yung cinema type na kinukuha nyo. Yun lang yung tip. Kasi medyo mahirap kumontak sa kanila actually. So ito yung sariling snack bar ng Ayala Mall Cinema. Mas relax ang pila dito. Hindi masyadong madami yung nagke-claim na kanilang free popcorn. Since sa ticket ng 4DX, as you know, meron siyang kasamang free regular popcorn. Ang nawala is yung bottled water. I'm pretty sure nakasama yung bottled water nung una kaming nanood back in November. So you can check that back in our other episode. Ticket price is 550 pesos. Ang kasama niya, regular sized popcorn. Again, ang flavors niya, either barbecue or plain lang daw po. Ayan. So, ginawa namin, bumili na lang kami ng extra water. And by the way, reminder, hindi rin sila pwede magpapasok ng canned drinks. Although nagtitinda sila ng canned soft drinks. So, sinalin na lang namin. Buti may dala akong extra bottle. At ayan, papasok na kami. Excited na. 4DX ulit. Ay, bago rin pala kayo pumasok or habang nag-aantay kayo ng inyong screening schedule, don't forget to take your photos dito sa napakaganda nilang photo booth. Maliwanag, maraming ilaw at wala lang, masaya lang, Instagrammable. So for our new viewers, expectations lang. We do not review the movie itself or the content of the story. What we review here is the cinema, the theater, and the overall movie-going experience. At ito na yung surprise, meron tayong 3D glasses. Ibig sabihin, Avatar Way of Water is on 3D here at 4DX. So exciting kasi this will complete the package for 4-dimension experience na pinapromise nitong cinema na ito. So for me lang din, na-connect ko na rin kung bakit walang bottled water. Maybe they don't want to increase much of the ticket price, so they'll just offset the 3D glasses with the freebies na kasama sa ticket. And para sa mga naku-curious, ganito yung itsura pag nanood kayo ng 3D. Parang buhay na buhay yung screen. Halos parang gusto mo na mahawakan yung napapanood mo. At parang nandun ka mismo sa eksena na yon. Especially with 4DX seats na gumagalaw kapag mayroong mga maganda at matinding aksyon sa mga eksena. Ayan. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa CR. CR tour muna tayo. This is their common CR na nandun pa sa kapilang dulo ng lobby. Wala pa rin silang CR sa loob ng sinihan. So, yun lang talaga yung downside dito sa Ayala Mall Cinema. So, maluwag, malinis, maaliwalas, pero ang layo. Ang dami mong mamimiss na eksena pag pinili mong mag-CR sa kalagitnaan ng screening. And overall, masaya pa rin naman kami kasi matagal na akong hindi nakapanood ng 3D. Like last time ako nakapanood, that was way back in 2010. Legend of the Guardians, The Owls of Gahul pa yun. Animated movie pa yung napanood ko sa IMAX sa SM North. We had grown to the impression pa nga na nakakahilo ang 3D glasses. Well, because I think masyadong malaki yung IMAX para sa 3D movie. But this time, masayang experience siya. Talagang it completes the 4D, 4-dimension experience. Paulit-ulit ko yung sinasabi kasi nga nakikita mo na buhay yung mga eksena na parang mahahawakan mo sila, tapos gumagalaw ka pa kapag gumagalaw sila sa mga action scenes, and you can really feel yung temperature, yung environment na pinapakita. So this is really one of the best movie experiences that we had. So that's it. Until next time mga kakampo, God bless!